Oh my god, this is such a disaster! Alright, so I've been trying to work up the courage. A little scared, but I mean, like, it looks really bad. You can always go back to brown, right? Like, I didn't have a mental breakdown either, okay? I was just like, I'm gonna do it. And my goal, I'll show you my goal. My goal is actually like Corinna. I'm really nervous, okay? Corinna, I love her hair. I feel like I could do that. I got the stuff to bleach it, and I got the stuff. I got my toner, and I got my root shadow I'm gonna be doing. I got the Kaleido Colors dark hair bleach, and I'm literally gonna shit myself. I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm doing this. You know what? I'm so sick of being fearful. I'm just gonna do it. Well, I also don't have gloves, so I'm gonna be using a paper bag. I think I should do it. Oh my god, it's like actual. Oh, they have a little scoop thing. Okay, and I have my developer. So I'm using a L'Oreal 30 developer, and then the Kaleidoscope, or Kaleido Colors bleach. That's from clairsol. I'll put all this stuff in the description. So I heard never use a 40, so I'm not. I use the 30 because my hair is kind of dark, but 40 apparently is like really dangerous. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm also wearing a really ugly shirt, so don't judge it. That's why I'm wearing it, because it'll get bleach on it. So smart. If this looks bad, I'm jumping out the window. I'm just gonna bleach in my bowl. I'm just gonna start off with one, and then do two of the developer because I don't know how much I'm gonna need, and I can always make more. Alright, so this is the original. Now I'm not a hairstylist anyway, and you probably shouldn't do this because I'm dumb. I'm dumb. So I thought I would try it out. I'm literally shaking. I'm so nervous. Ooh, it's starting to smell. Alright, let's do our fake gloves. So the trick is to do DIY gloves. You push your fingers down in a paper bag or whatever, plastic bag. Alright, and I'm gonna take a hair tie. Put it there. You got makeshift gloves. I might copyright that. If this turns out horrible, my parents are gonna murder me. Sorry, Mom and Dad, if you're watching. I'm gonna start from the bottom. Let's do this. Make sure I get all of it. Alright, update. I'm on the mid section of my hair, and I really should not be allowed money because I do shit like this. I'm kind of nervous, like really nervous. As you can see, the ends are kind of already getting lighter, and I think I might actually just like cry. I don't know. I just feel like this is so wrong, and I'm gonna look horrible. This was not worth the stress. I don't know why I did this. I don't know why. Thing, and I don't know why I did this so seriously. Like, don't do this, you're thinking about doing this, don't do this because it's not worth it, it's never worth it. Just pay the money and get it done somewhere instead of being stupid. Yeah. So I can already tell you this is gonna go bad. I feel like I really should just go rinse it out. Just cut my losses, but I don't really know, and I'm running out of bleach, so I'm gonna have to make more, but also I'm just scared to death, and I can't really see the back of my head. So I'm hoping it all looks good. I don't know. I'm really scared. So yeah, here's my update. Alright, here's all the bleach in. Yeah, I know it's not perfect, and I know I did this literally in every single way that could be wrong. I did. So I'm literally just like praying that it'll look good, and if not, like I'm literally going back to brown. My hair's gonna kill me, and I'm literally gonna kill myself. Presently, I'm more calm than I thought I would be. Probably doesn't look like it. I have to leave it in. I think it said 30 to 45 minutes. I really think I'm gonna do probably like 20 minutes and then check on it. I'm scared to death, but hey, maybe I'll go silver because this kind of looks silvery. I don't hate it. But yeah, look at all the so here's my station. Bleach everywhere. It's all over my everything. So yeah, and there's me like an idiot. So it's been on for 15 minutes, and definitely missed a lot. green here. I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping I'm not gonna dye it again. So yeah, there you go. All right, I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna take it out, see it for the first time. It's very uneven, and it's very light right here. Luckily, my hair doesn't feel broken at all. So I think I'm gonna have to bleach it one more time. You know, horrible words. Alright, I redid it and put some more in, so hopefully it'll go well. Okay, this is the second bleach. If this doesn't look good, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Please, 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 please. Why is it still brown? I'm literally gonna throw up. I hate myself. But it's definitely blonder. I think I'm just gonna tone it and literally hope for the best, because I honestly just am done at this point. Maybe I can live with this once it dries. I can always I'll put it back or something. Oh my god. I can't even put it back. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm using a toner. I'm using the Wella toner in the shade. I almost went back to brown. Holy crap, that was so close. Ah, I got it everywhere. Ah, I have to pour it back in. Oh my god, I almost went back to brown. Holy, I got this as like a root thing, not to dye my hair. I literally got it all over me. Oh my god, this is such a disaster. So I'm using the Wella toner in 8G841, and it's just one part of this to two parts of the, I'm literally shaking again. One part to two parts of the, what's this called? Developer. So, guys, this stuff is literally so strong, it burned my nose. Oh my god. Oh, Mommy, I did something bad. I bleached my hair.
What?
I bleached my whole head.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Why?
Because my life was going too well. Alright, so my toner's been in for 40 minutes now. I'm gonna go shower. I'm really praying it looks good. The top kind of looks awful, but we're just gonna really hope for the best, okay? I also have a chemical burn on my face. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little white dot. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, and this is the last thing I'm doing tonight. I'm done, so hopefully it looks good, or else I might jump out the window. I don't know, so. Okay, so this is what we've got. I'm gonna put my curling stuff in it, and then I'll do an update tomorrow morning once I have it styled, and I'm gonna do makeup so I don't look like absolute trash. But this isn't horrible. It's definitely lighter underneath. This is the new me. Don't do this, okay? Don't be stupid. All right, see you tomorrow. Okay, it's the morning. Here's my hair. I styled it. Did my makeup. Don't really know what to think. It's definitely not good. It's not horrible. Could be so much worse. I'm lucky it's like pretty much one color. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Just kind of stuck. I'm like, ooh, this is like this now. I should go platinum, but then I'm like, I don't want to destroy my hair. I'm also like, I don't like this color, so I kind of want to go pastel blue. And I also want to do my roots. So I don't know. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you learned don't ever do this to your fucking hair. Or if you want to turn out like me, it's literally never worth it. Yeah, I'm actually kind of scared to go out of my room. I don't really want to leave. And I have class in like 20 minutes, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But if I could work up the courage to bleach my hair, I think I can leave for class, but we don't know. We haven't been to class yet, so lessons learned. Don't do this at home. Even if you think, oh, I can do it at home, don't do this at home. You can't do this at home. Don't do this at home, okay? If you're even like, I'm gonna, seriously, don't do this at home. Stop. Stop. This video, warning. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Don't do it ever. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And I feel like my whole thing is like a hot mess, and honestly, I really am, and this kind of just further proves it. Like this video, like and subscribe, and follow my Instagram at jessica.hernet to see what I do with my hair and how I live my life. And then, honestly, subscribe because I'm gonna probably be posting more videos of my hair and trying to fix it and figuring out what I'm gonna do. So if you want to see that nice journey, subscribe. Thanks so much. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.